Hey guys, it's George. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another Worth It Wednesday, and today we are testing out the e.l.f. Hydrating Primer Serum. So if you guys want to know my thoughts and opinions on this, please keep watching, and if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, so today we're testing the e.l.f. Hydrating Primer Serum. So you guys might know if you've watched my channel before, I do have quite dry skin, and I do find that sometimes foundation like sticks to parts of my skin, like where it's a bit dry. So when I saw this, I thought I'd give it a go and see like what it looks like with my makeup on top of it, and if it like does make my skin feel more hydrated. So this was £10 and I got it from Feel Unique. So I think an alright price for a primer, not like luxury high-end, not like super cheap drugstore products. £10, it's alright, you know, I'm not like breaking the bank too much by buying this. So yeah, I thought we would just give this a go. I'll do a bit of a wear test, let you guys know how it's like holding up throughout the day, and then I will let you know my thoughts. So it comes in this little bottle here, and then you just basically unscrew it, and it's like a pipette bottle. So I think that's quite cool. Although you can't get that much in the pipette when you like squeeze it up, it only like fills up to here, which is a bit strange. But that's fine. Like, yeah, we'll basically just give this a go. I'll put my makeup on, let you guys know how it feels. I'll do a bit of a wear test, and then we'll circle back at the end of the day. Right, so let's put it on first. So it is, let's just move the camera around. There you go, you can see me a bit more clearly now. I'll zoom in a bit, just so you know, you can like maybe see my face a bit more. Here we go. Alright, so I'm not really sure how much to use of this. So we'll just unscrew it. So this little button you like press down and like sucks up the product. So that's quite cool. Just 23. Yeah, that should be enough, shouldn't it? So it comes out and it's like really liquidy. I'm just going to use my fingers to rub it in instead of a brush because it is quite liquidy. It feels very wet on the skin, but I assume it's going to dry. I guess that's just like the hydratingness of it. So first impressions, it's very liquidy. It slides on the face very easily. It does feel like kind of watery, like maybe silicone-y, because it's got that like real fluidity to it. Okay, so that's it all rubbed in. I assume I'll wait like a couple of minutes for it to dry, but as you guys can see, like obviously it's given a lot of like water moisturizing to my face, like it's a bit shiny, but I'm not sure if maybe it'll sink in and then like dry, and that'll kind of be it. Yeah, so I'll give it a couple of minutes to dry, and then we'll put on my foundation and go from there. So I've kind of given it a few minutes to like dry and settle in, and like it's a little bit sticky, which is good. You want like that stickiness from primer, so it's going to stick to your makeup, but nothing too drastic. The shine's worn off a bit, but not like loads. My skin does feel hydrated. It also feels like a tiny bit like tight, I guess, from like the stickiness, and like, you know, that sort of feeling of like when you've got something on your face. I mean, it looks hydrated, it looks healthy, it looks glowy. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go in my foundation over the top of it and just sort of see what the primer is looking like with my foundation on. So we're going to use the Ordinary Serum Foundation in the shade 2.0N. What I'm going to do is just go in with this, and then we'll come back and have a chat about how it's looking with foundation on. Okay, so this is it with foundation on top. Yeah, I think my skin's still looking quite hydrated, quite dewy, quite glowy. Obviously I've got like no concealer, powder, bronzer, anything on. Literally just foundation and the primer. And I think it looks quite good so far. My foundation feels like went on really nicely. There was no sort of dry patches that it's clung to that I can see. I mean, it's all going pretty well so far. What I'm going to do is I'm going to finish the rest of my face so you can see what my face looks like with the powder, bronzer, everything on it, and we'll just sort of see like how it's looking as a base. And then what I'll do is I'll do a bit of a wear test, wear this for the day, and then just come back and sort of let you guys know my final thoughts and opinions. But so far I'm really liking it. I think it's gone on really well to my skin, and like it's got no dry patches. And yeah, it's going really well so far. Okay, so this is my face with all my makeup on. I mean, it all went on really easily. I don't think it looks too dry, even though I've like powdered my whole face. Yeah, I'm really liking this primer. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go about my day. So it's 11:03 now. So I'm going out for lunch and going to pop and see my cousin. So I'm just going to keep this all on and I'll check in with you guys at the end of the day. But so far I'm really liking this primer. It's made my skin look really nice with my makeup on. Yeah, so hopefully it lasts. I'm not going to put on any setting spray or anything. I'm just going to kind of leave it as it is, and we will see what it's looking like at the end of the day. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Hello and good evening. So the time is 5:30. So I have been wearing my makeup, I think it was 11 when I put it on. So yeah, I've been out the house for ages. Like went for lunch and saw my cousins and sat in the garden. So this is the update on the primer. You know what, the makeup's actually stayed on so well, obviously minus my nose. Like I don't know about you guys, but when wearing masks, like my makeup comes off my nose really quite a lot. So I'll just go to the natural daylight. So hopefully, did that even work? Is that alright? Yeah, is that good lighting? But yeah, as you can see, like the foundation has really stayed on quite well. So although this is like a hydrating primer, it's also really made my makeup last a very long time and stay on really well. So I'm really happy with this. Obviously just the nose, from where I've been wearing a mask, it's come off. But overall, I would say this primer is definitely worth it. I think it's quite affordable. It's really good if you've got dry skin. It might even be good if you don't have dry skin. I mean, like, I don't know how well it would work with oily skin, but like if you have like combination to normal, like give it a go. Like I really like it and I would definitely be using it again. And for £10, not bad at all. So I definitely think that that foundation was worth it. But thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.